Okay, one more question I am going to solve here. Just listen. Which question it is? Question number 16. Which question is question number 16? Okay, in 16 two questions are there. One question I will solve. So remain one more question is there. That one solve yourself. Okay. So what is the question number 16 here? Question number 16. Matrix A is given. Okay. Matrix A is given. What is the matrix A? 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. Right? So this matrix A. For this matrix A only we have to find inverse. Okay, to find inverse, that matrix can be, how can I written as? How can I get written as? A can be written as A is equal to I into A. I into A. So A is equal to I into A means what is A here? 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. Right? I means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Into A. Clear? Yes. So now matrix A is equal to I into A. Next what we have to do? What we have to do? Here, as I discussed already, as I told to you, first this we have to apply row operations. So how we have to apply that sequence of row operations to transforming this matrix as an identity matrix. This matrix will be some other matrix. Okay? Yes. So this matrix, how it will be changed? How it will be changed? So to changing this matrix as identity matrix, we have to use row operations. We are using row operations. That means row operations means how can you? Row operations is first as I told you, what is the procedure to finding the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix? We have to make here 1. Right? First here we have to make 1. By using this 1 here and here we have to make zeros. Right? Next here we have to make 1. After using this, by using this 1, first we have to make here 1. After that one, here and here we have to make zeros. Right? Next here we have to make 1. Next by using this 1, here and here we have to make zeros. Then finally this matrix will be becoming as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Yes, the same operations whatever you apply the row operations to making this, to transforming this matrix as identity matrix, the same operations we have to apply on this also. Okay. Yes, first what is our motto? We have to make 1 here 1 0 0. By using this row 1 only we have to make here and 0 0. Next here we have to make 1. After making 1 here and here we have to make 0 0. Here we have to make 1. After making 1 here and here we have to make a 0. Okay. So here, if you observe here, already 1 is there here. Already 1 is there. No need to change that one as 1. Already 1 is there. No need to transform 1. So 1 is there. Okay, it is good for us. Next, where we have to make zeros. 1 we made. Already given, no problem. Here and here we have to make zeros. By using this 1, here and here we have to make zeros. Why? Because here we have to make 0. Minus 3 there means we have to add 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. 2, subtract 2 minus 2, 0. So to making here minus and plus here, what I am doing here, where is minus 3? In R2 or not? We are using row operation. That is why we have to use the rows. Here second row. So R2 I am changing. R2 changes to. What we have to write, which operation we have to write here to changing here minus 3 as 0, compulsory to changing this minus 3 as 0, which row we have to use? Compulsory row 1 we have to use. Why we are using row 1 first row? Why? Because here 1 is there not? By using this 1 only we have to make here 0. Here also we have to make 0. Just observe here minus 3 is there, right? So in R2 where is there? What is there? Minus 3. So R2 plus, here minus is there, plus 3 into R1. 3 into R1. R2 minus 3 plus minus 3 plus 3 into R1. 3 into R1. 3 multiplied by 2 R1 is 3 into 1 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 0 you get or not? Yes. Okay, remember. Next 2. Where it is? R3. Now what we are going to change? R3 changes to. R3 changes to R2. R2 means 2 minus 2 R1. Yes. Just check here. R2 means what is there? 2 is there. 2 minus 2 into R1. 2 into R1 means 2 into 1 2. 2 minus 2 0. Will you get 0 is not? Like this you have to check. Remaining elements whatever it may be, we have to check these 2 elements only. Minus 3 multiplied by 3 here, add them. 0 here. 2 multiplied by 2 here, subtract them. 0. Understand? Yes, I will apply these operations in C. R2. What is R2 here? Minus 3, 0, minus 5. Right? 3 into R1. Multiply by 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, minus 2. 3 into 2, minus 6. Right? What you have to do? Adding. Add them. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. Right? Yes. Okay. R2 is over. It is R2. Next R3. R3. R3 means R2 minus 2 into R1. R2. What is R2 here? Minus 3, 0, minus 5. Minus 2, sorry, minus 3, 0, minus 5. R2. Okay. 2 into R1. Multiply by 2 to R1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Just to see R3 changes, right? It is not R2, R3. From 2 only you have to have 3, 2 minus 2, 0, right? R3, that is not R2. Just observe that one. R3 changes to R3 minus 2R1. R3. Just write R3. What is R3? 2. Right? 5, 0. It is 2 into R1. 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Okay, subtract minus minus plus. Subtraction 0. 5 minus 6 minus 1. 0 minus half minus 4 plus 4. Okay, it is R3. Right? Yes, write them. R1 same as it is. 1, 3 minus 2. R3. What is R2 here? 0, 9 minus 11. Right? Next R3. 0 minus 1, 4. Okay? Yes. So same operations we have to apply here also. Yes. See, I am going to apply here also, just to see. R2 plus 3R1. What is R2 here? 0, 1, 0. 3 into R1. 3 into 1, 3. 0, 0. Add them. 3, 1, 0. 3, 1, 0. What it is? R2. Right? Yes. Next. R3. R3 changes to R3. R3 means 0, 0, 1. 2 into R1. 2 into 1 means 2. 0, 0. What we have to do? Subtraction. Minus, minus, minus. 0 minus 2, minus 2, 0, 1. Okay. This is R3. R3. R1 same as it is. 1, 0, 0. What is R2 here? 3, 1, 0. Next, minus 2, 0, 1. Into, clear? Yes. So what you done here? 1, 0, 0 we got. Clear? 1, 0, 0. Next, what you have to do? Next, what we have to do? Here we have to make 1. Here we have to make 1. 1. Here I am going to make 1. Okay, 9 is there. What here? 9 is there. And just observe here. Here what is there? Minus 1 is there. Yes? So if you transfer this row 3 to here, what will minus 1 will get? If you multiply by minus also, what will get here? 1 will get or not? So easily we are getting 1 or not? Don't divide by 9 here. Don't multiply by 1 by 9 here. If you divide by 9 here, 9 will get. Here it is little bit difficult to simplify. That is why before dividing this 9, 8, whatever the number will be, to making 1 here, so just observe this last row. If here minus 1 is there or 1 is there, you can interchange these two. If suppose here also 5 is there, suppose 5 is there. So if you interchange, you cannot get 9, 1 here. No? That is why what you have to do at that time, you have to divide by 9. That is better. But don't divide by 9 here. Here minus 1 is there. So what I am doing here simply, you can divide 9 also, no problem. If you divide by 9 here, what will get? Minus 9 by 9 you will get. Here 1 by 1 you will get here. Here 3 by 9 means 1 by 3 will get. 1 by 3 will get. Here 0 will get. So no problem. Like that also you can do. But while you are solving, what you will get here? Fractions you will get. So more than that one, it is better. Here minus 1 is there. Just transfer this row and row here. Then minus 1 you will get here. So if you multiply by minus 1 also, here what will get? Minus 1 is plus 1 you will get or not? Easily you will get 1. That is what I am saying. Okay. So here what I am doing here, R2 interchanging R3. R2 and R3 both are interchanging. Yes, right here 1, 3 minus 2. So 0 minus 1, 4. 0, 9 minus 11. Right? Here also. This is also. Don't forget. Okay. Whatever the operations will apply here, the same operation we have to apply for here also. Okay, don't forget. 1 0 0. Next here -2 0 1. Here 3 1 0. Clear? Again next here what I am doing here, -1 is there, no? So this R2 again, to making +1, R2 changes to -1 into R2. R2 changes to -1 into R2. Why? Because this -1 we have to make as a positive. Okay. Yes. Now come to that one. 1 3 -2. R2 changes to -1 into R2. Multiply by -1. 0 into -1 0. -1 into -1 +1. -1 into 4 -4. Right? Next this one same. 0 9 -11 is equal to here also 1 0 0. R2 we are changing by -1. So -1 into -2 2. 1 into -1 into 0 0. 1 into -1 -1. Here 3 1 0 into here. Clear? Yes. Just observe here. First we made 1 here. By using this row 1, here and here we made zeros. Very good. Here we made 1 now. Next by using this row 2, here and here we have to make 0 0. To make here 0, what have to do? 3. We have to subtract 3. Here 9. We have to subtract 9. By using this R1 only, R2 only. So now R1 I am going to change. Why I am going to change R1 here? We have to make 1 or 0 and here. To making here 0 and to making here also 0. First I am explain this one. To making here 0, we have to subtract 3 from 3 or not? Yes. So when it will be? So R, that is why 3 where it is R1. So R1 changing to R1 minus, that means 3 minus. So R1 minus. R1 means R1 3 is there, no? 3 minus. Okay. 3 R2. R1 is 3 minus 3 into R2. Multiply with 3 here. 3 minus 3 0. We are using R2 here. Compulsory we have to use R2. Why we have to use R2 here? 1 we made here. That is why. Next R3. R3 changes to 9 is there. 9 when it will be becoming 0. R3 changes to 9 minus. 9 minus means 9 where it is R3. R3 minus 9 into R1. 9 into R2. R3 means 9. 9 minus 9 into R2. Multiply by 9 here. 9. 9 minus 9 0. Will you get or not? Right. Understand carefully. Okay. To understand this one it takes time, but very easy. Whenever you understand it is very easy. Just understand yourself. Okay. Here what it is? R1. What is R1 here? 1 3 minus 2. 3 into R2. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 4 minus 12. Right? Subtract 1. Subtraction, right? Minus plus here. 3 minus 3 0. Minus 2 plus 12 10. Right? Minus 2 minus plus 12. Minus 2 plus 12 means 10. So here in the place of R1 you have to write them 1 0 10. Right? R2 same 0 1 minus 4. R3 also. R3 means 0 9 minus 11. Right? R3 minus 9 into R2. Multiply by 9 into 0 0. 9 into 1 9. 9 into 4 36 minus 36. Next what you have to do? Subtraction. Minus it will be plus 0. 9 minus 9 0. Minus 11 plus 36 5 25 or 25. So 25.